given question we have, if the minimum distance of center of the circle, okay, from any point on the parabola y square equal to 4x is d, then d square is what? Okay, so the concept is what? First one though, we have to find what? Center of the circle. Circle is what? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 16y plus 64 equal to g. Okay, if we will compare this equation, so we will get what? 2g as minus 4 and 2f as minus of 16, यानी कि g minus g is equal to 2 and minus of f equal to 8. So center we have minus of g comma minus f, that means 2 comma 8. Okay, now minimum distance we know that ki always lies along common normal. Minimum distance means आपको कॉमन नॉर्मल ड्रॉ करनी. Okay, and one point also we know कि normal to the circle always passes through center of the circle, है ना? Always passes through center. Okay, तो देखो इस तरह की सिचुएशन आ गई कि एक पैराबोला भी है, on that we point assume that is am square comma minus of 2am. अब देखो a value is what? 1, यानी कि m square and minus of 2m. From that we will draw a normal. So that normal will pass through center of the circle, यानी कि 2, 8. अब देखो we know that कि normal या equation of normal to parabola या equation of normal of parabola y square equal to 4ax is y equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube at the point am square comma minus of 2am. Our a value is what? 1. That means our required equation is what? Y equal to mx minus 2m minus m cube. Okay, this line now passes through 2 comma 8. Okay, this one passes through 2 comma 8 to satisfy करवा the point, यानी कि 8 is equal to minus of m cube, which implies m equal to minus of 2. If m is equal to minus 2, that means this point is now what? 4 comma 4. If suppose this one is c point, this one is a point, तो अपने को distance find करनी है ca के बीच की. Okay, तो ca, the distance ca is what? That is given actually d. Okay, so we will get what? 4 minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 8 whole square. तो 4 plus 16 of root. तो d square is equal to 20. ओके, डी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 20. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर अपने पास क्या आ जाएगा? डी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 20. ये जेईई मेंस 2024 का क्वेश्चन है.